Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a nighttime cleaning routine for you. My house is kind of a hot mess, but it's just kind of the things I do every night to pick up and make sure I am set up for success for the next day. So let me show you first my to-do list, and then second, the mess that is my house right now. Start by cleaning the kitchen, starting a load of laundry, cleaning up the dining room, vacuum the first floor, spot clean the bathrooms, empty trashes because tonight is trash night, make tomorrow's to-do list, take out dinner for tomorrow, so anything in the freezer or anything like that you need to pull out, and then I need to pack lunch and pack my daughter for school tomorrow. So I'm going to get started by taking care of this messy kitchen.
Taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine. Cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this. Waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone. But I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in, back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. Taking, baby.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze, fuel teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how out, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Ta-ta, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Early. Let's get girly. Early. I fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you. I write it off as sermons. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing badly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me. I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused. This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to sit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good.
Anyone else's kid's bathroom always a mess? Always a mound. That's not bad, but I mean, my kids literally, we made them clean the bathroom yesterday because there was just a mound of toothpaste in the sink. Like, drawers open, hat on the floor, toilet paper half off. Like, I don't understand why they like to blow up the bathrooms, but they do.
No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels so good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it
Maybe
was
this
true.
is where they get it from.
Shadows handed me a question. If I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Woke up from my premonition. I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen. I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath. With nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do? Do-do-do-do.
got everything on my to-do list done. I just packed my daughter's water. I didn't film it because I didn't realize I didn't press the play button, but I already had her lunch made from yesterday. I try to make like 2 lunches at a time, so I don't have to do it every night. And then clean the bathrooms, and I am making my to-do list now for tomorrow, which I don't have to carry anything over from today, which is my favorite thing to do. I love crossing things off my to-do list. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like to see these different cleaning routines, and I switch it up. You know, this is like my fall thing, what I'm doing right now, but I like to switch it up and do different things and kind of tweak things and see, you know, what works, what doesn't, and what we need to change. But for right now, this is working, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. Bye, guys.
Sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you.